Alright, so here's a quick rundown on how that LED whiteboard system is working. So the code's posted on GitLab. I put a link to it in the description. And there's a pair of scripts, comp and run, for compiling and running that link in the jar files and such. So if we run main, we get a window like this, and I've got a USB camera hooked up. So basically, I can just doodle on the wall, right? And the camera is monitoring that, and as I doodle, it's just drawing it in this panel. So if you resize your window to be, in this case, 640 by 480, and you use a projector and project the image right here, then as you're doodling, right, the ink that's being drawn and projected matches the position of the laser. And so it acts like, a laser-based drawing system. So a few other options that are added in here. So you can use the keyboard, right, to interact with the display. So the C button clears. The I button shows you the background image. So if you're trying to figure out how to, align your camera, you can do that and, confirm where your laser pointer is and so on. And you can hit an I again to turn that off, but it leaves the image persistent, so you can hit a C to clear that. And you can also hit a question mark to bring up the hot areas where the virtual buttons are. So if you hit over here and that green circle, right, that picks up the green ink, and the blue circle will pick up the blue, and so on, and the clear, which I can't get to because of where my camera is right now, but the C button will clear the display. And so those are your hidden buttons. And for calibration, once you've got the projector pointing at the screen and you've got your camera lined up with it reasonably, go ahead and calibrate. So to calibrate, you hit the button 1 and it displays a bullseye. Now right now it's displayed on my screen. Let me turn off my instructions here. So hit a 1, that's displayed on my screen, but if I was projecting, it would be displayed somewhere over here. And what you want to do is you want to point your laser beam directly at that bullseye, and then hit a 2, and that registers that upper left corner. And then hit a 3 to get your second calibration point. Point your laser directly at the middle of that, hit a 4, and that'll lock in your calibration. And now the ink that's being drawn should match where the actual laser pointer is positioned. So that's pretty much all there is to it. The code is up on GitLab. It's free to use. The jar files are webcam and some of the standard Java video stuff, none of which I own, but as far as I can tell, that's all available for use in an open way. So so I put those in the archive also. Hopefully that doesn't bother anybody. But the Java code itself is just 3 files: main, capture, and my panel, and it's fairly straightforward code. So play around with it if you like. Hope you have fun. Thanks. Bye.